Hey everybody, it's me. The reason why I don't have the camera on my face right now is because well, I'm driving and I don't want to have a bright light in my face while I'm driving. So you get to see when I'm driving home too. A little bit of an update lately. I'm not sure if you've seen the video that I just recently posted today. On October 21st, 2018, my two cousins, Jeffrey Gross II and Mark Levi, died in a car accident. They were two really great guys. Tomorrow, I am going to say my final goodbyes to Mark. The reason why I didn't make the video before, for Jeff, is because me and him were really close. And I just couldn't bear having a camera in my face. But I'm gonna let you guys know this. Always wear your freaking seatbelts. Because that's what happened to these two. They were heading back from work, or back from lunch to go back to work. Kind of like me, but I'm heading home. So, what happened was, they didn't put their seatbelts on. You always got to make sure you have your seatbelt on because it will save your life. I should know personally. Anyways, to get back on the subject, Jeffrey's brakes in his Jeep ended up failing him. And I will put pictures of the crash. I will put pictures of Jeffrey and Mark on here, so that way you know who these people are. A little bit to tell you about Jeffrey. Jeffrey was born on July 30th, 1997. So yes, I'm older than him by a year. And he played football literally almost his whole entire life. He was good. He loved sports. He was a really great guy to know. But another thing is, he was also a semi-pro football player. I don't remember for where, but he was really good. He was also an all-state wrestler championship, number 8 in the state of Michigan. He has a girlfriend. Her name is Liz. He has a son on the way. That's the saddest part. He has a boy due next month. He's not here to watch him grow up. This boy is not gonna know who his father is. So everybody, including his mom, me, anybody, is gonna have to explain to this boy why his dad is not here. Now, hopefully, as future goes on, safety is gonna be more important in vehicles. So, like my car has airbags all around. So, I'm worried, but I'm not too worried. Now a little bit about Mark. We literally grew up within 500 feet of each other. Every day. Day in, day out. We'd play outside from the moment we wake up till we have to go to bed. Sometimes I'd fucking spend the night down at his house. He'd spend the night down at mine. also known as my grandma's. Last time I seen him was at his open house party. It was literally the last time I seen him. Talk to him every now and again on Facebook and everything like that. But now, we were going to make plans. Sorry guys, this car's coming. I don't know if they're a cop or not. But we were going to make plans of him coming to meet my boys. That day's not even gonna come. I'm surprised I got that day with Jeff. This last time I seen him was on October 13th, the day of his baby shower. Okay. That was the day, that was the last time I ever seen him. Now, after that, we Snapchatted and everything like that. But other than that, that's literally the last time I seen my cousin. Second time I met his girlfriend was at his training room. Believe me, that is not how you want to meet somebody. I don't get why people, like, why the whole family can't get together some other times. Like, I don't get why it has to be at a funeral when the whole family comes together. There should be a time where everybody in the family meets together, has a good time, just enjoy life. Like, it's not a bad thing at all. Now this is just me talking. Like, I don't know if God has a plan for my cousins, why he pulled them off of this earth so soon. I don't get it. But back when I got in my car accident with Trevor, I literally should have died. But I did not die. Now, I see why. But now, I wish that I don't wish I should have. I'm glad I'm not. Because I get to watch my boys grow up. I get to watch Jeffrey's boy grow up. I get to help him out. You know, it's... just hold on to life. It's something we gotta hold on to and cherish. Watch everybody around us grow up. Now, I get it. It's all part of life. People live and people die. I get that. What I don't get is why people won't be so goddamn smart when they're driving. Yeah, I know. I'm not being smart while driving. I'm recording the road and talking at the same time. But bottom line is, when you're driving, make sure all your mirrors are checked. Make sure your brakes are good. Make sure you have your goddamn seatbelt on. Because I'm going to tell you how my cousin died. My cousin died while being ejected out of the window. Okay. In the event of that happening, he smashed his head off of the piece of the car. Knocked himself right out. And then in the process, he ended up crushing his chest off of the steering wheel. He died instantly. Now, my cousin Mark, I really don't know much what happened to him. I'm going to be asking that tomorrow when I go to his showing. I'm not going to be recording his service and all that. It's going to be me recording myself up there talking some more. But guys, please just do me one big favor. I know I don't have that many subscribers. I know I don't have that many views. But whoever is watching this, if you are starting out driving, or if you think you mastered the roads, you think you've mastered your vehicle, or anything like that, wear a seatbelt. There's a law for it for a reason. To prevent people from dying. Now, I'm not sad that my cousins died. I'm angry. You know, if they would have had their seatbelts on, they still would have had a chance to live. Yeah, they would have been pretty beat up, but they would have still lived. So, people who just now started driving, teenagers, 16-year-olds, I don't care if you're freaking 16, 17, I don't care if you're fucking 25 and you're starting to drive. Wear your goddamn seatbelt. I can't stress this enough. So, final public announcement. Wear your seatbelt. Drive safe. Do the speed limit. What's going on, everybody? Oh, I'm back. It's the next day. I am on my way up to Maple Hill Cemetery to, go up there, see my cousin's grave, give them that flower and a football that I designed. This football number and everything on it. Anyways, just want to out of the car. Had to breathe. Anyways, I'm on my way up there right now. Not doing too much. Woke up kind of later than what I was expecting to. I was expecting to be there by now. Nah. So, make sure you guys are driving safe. Because you don't know how precious life is until it's taken away from you. But anyways, we'll see you guys here. Alright guys, what's up? I'm back. Oh, what a day, I tell you. But it all turned out to be a good day in the end. Said my final goodbyes today. It's my cousin Mark. Come to find out, my cousin Mark was actually in Oregon. So there's still pieces of him coming around. I'm gonna make one more stop to my cousin's crash site, and I'm gonna stay there for a minute and everything like that. And I'm probably gonna get these comments, why are you putting yourself through that much pain? It's not that I'm putting myself through that much pain. It's just, it helps me remind myself why I'm still here. Like, it's safety that always counts in life. If everybody was just reckless and not safe, there wouldn't really be anybody. But I just wanted to say that's the last bit of this video. So, catch Drive safe. Wear your seatbelts. For God's sake, just fucking wear your seatbelts. You know, it's one thing to lose a friend, but losing family is completely different. So, just take care of yourselves. Wear your seatbelts. Drive safe. If you see, even if it's not your best friend, but it's someone you occasionally talk to, you shake their hand, give them a hug. Life is just too precious nowadays for it to be lost. That's something that we don't want. So just take care of yourselves, everything like that. I know I already said that a lot. So, alright, I'm almost out of time, so I'll talk to you guys later.